Hey guys, and welcome back to another weekly vlog. It's Tuesday and it is 5:15. Well, 17 minutes past 5. I haven't vlogged today, plainly because I've done a lot of vlogging recently and my phone storage is like not good. I just wanted to take a break because those two vlogs were kind of taken out of me, so I kind of just had like a day to like not worry about it. But yeah, if you're wondering why there isn't a Monday part of this, it's because we went to go see Dodie last night and it's one of the vlogs that I vlogged for a separate vlog. That's really weird. So if you're wondering why I've got pink hair and there was no vlog at the end of Sunday, it's because I've dyed my hair pink, which is also probably up on my channel already, so I'll leave both of them in the description box below. If you haven't watched them already, you can go ahead and catch up. But today I have a few agendas, a few things I need to do before I need to go out. I need to edit at least one of the videos. I need to edit my pink hair transformation video because that's a video for tomorrow. I also need to kind of clean my room because it's dirty. I think I've got some homework and I need to go pack and go to Callum's, and I can't forget the pumpkins, so he wants to do pumpkin carving, so we're gonna see how that goes. I am currently in the middle of exporting last week's weekly vlog. I am sorry that it's late, and I'm also sorry that there are two videos today. On Halloween there were two videos uploaded and I'm currently uploading the second one right now. I'm exporting the second one because I did a poopy. There will be two uploads on Halloween, Tuesday the 31st. There will be an upload tomorrow, which is the 1st of November. And there will also be an upload on Thursday or Friday, which will be the 2nd or the 3rd of November. I don't even know what happened. Literally just flunked it and just messed up my whole schedule. I promise next week we'll go back to normal because I can't handle doing that many videos. Also, I have lost like the last half of my weekly vlog. Me saying goodbye to the camera, so I've literally just been like, oh fuck it, I'm just gonna close it with my outro. So if it ends a little bit abruptly, that's why I lost it. I didn't want to like delete it because it wouldn't make sense, and I got some really nice shots of the Devonshire views. It doesn't make sense, but it's fine. It's okay. That's my little explanation of me fucking up. Lying is really bad and it's going to become a reoccurrence in these vlogs, I hope you know. I have edited my hair video now. It's all up now for you. It's currently 20 to 6. I know it looks really dark, doesn't it? It looks pitch black outside. But I'm going to go ahead and get my stuff ready for Callum, so as soon as I am ready and done with my laptop and my YouTube stuff, I can just go. 2 videos went up today. 2 videos went up today. About to leave for Callum's. Got my bag. Where's my bag? I got some pumpkins. I promised Callum that we could watch a horror film today, and he has picked Gerald's Game, which is the newer one. I'm scared. Callum's playing the Animal Crossing game. Oh god, it looks like the DS fish as well, doesn't it?
It's actually really fun. It's bringing back so many memories.
It's a little bit later now. I'm at Callum's now. I just had a bath and he played a game with his friends. I'm gonna go carve some pumpkins when he's done fishing, which will be really fun. Do you have any idea what you're gonna do? We'll have a competition, but like, comment down below whose pumpkin you think will win, and then we'll see who actually wins. This is my pumpkin, guys. He's so cute. There's that one. And then there's that one. He's like a pig. We're gonna go put a candle in them and light it and put them in the dark and see how good they look.
Try to tie it.
He's gonna squirt all over you. What if I just pierce it with my nail?
No. Then both of us would get wet.
This is just a massive innuendo.
Rub it at a wall.
Outside?
Yeah. Well, no, inside.
High five. It's weird.
I don't even know if it'll pop.
Oh my god. I didn't even see it.
That was fun.
I heard it. That was cool. You're a nutter. You're an absolute nutter. You're about to watch Gerald's Game, which is a thriller on Netflix. I think every Halloween I'm going to allow Callum one horror movie that I'll watch with him. Not obviously he can't watch himself. He can go and watch horror movies if he wants, but I'll watch one with him on Halloween. This time we've chosen
Gerald's game. Good morning, everyone. Happy Wednesday. Going into town with Callie's mother and his sister. So, bless you. Won't be able to update or anything, but I do montage. Don't worry about it.
4, 3. Bye.
I love you, Callie.
Aww.
I'm cute. Happy Thursday. It is currently about 7:30 and I'm walking to the bus stop. I also found this cute hat in my underwear drawer. Don't ask why it was in my underwear drawer. I kind of had a fiasco with my headphones this morning. I can't find them anywhere, so today is going to be very boring. Oh well, I guess I'll just have to read. But yeah, I'm just on my way to college now. I will update you when anything exciting happens. College now. As you can see, I've been home for quite a while. I've been home for about half an hour now. Currently 6:15 and I have a mug of tea, or a massive bucket of tea more like, and I'm also going to edit my Dodie vlog so that can go up tomorrow. But I want to edit it because I've wanted to for ages and I feel like I'm going to cry while editing this because it's Dodie, so probably gonna cry. My eye is so swollen. Look at my eye. I brought some eyeliner today, so I'm going to learn how to do eyeliner and teach myself. Now I'm just on the mission to find A, an eyeliner tutorial that I like, and B, a mascara that I'm not allergic to. So also I left my headphones at Callum's this morning, so I had to buy cheap Poundland ones, which was great. I have a test in film in a week today, so I'm going to have to get revising for that. Yesterday was the start of NaNoWriMo and I have written 8,000 words so far. Didn't know I'm writing a book this month. 50,000 words in a month. Let's see how that goes. My username for NaNoWriMo or my link will be in the description box below if you want to go and buddy me and I can buddy you back. Yeah, I'm in the midst of writing the book. It should be out soon. I don't know. Yeah, I'm just going to get editing this, have some food probably, and then do some revision because I haven't done any for a very long time and I feel really bad. I have finished editing and exporting my daily vlog. It's now uploading and now I can have free reign with what I want to do. It's only 7:30 and I have done everything that I need to do on a YouTube basis. I might write for a bit, might take some painkillers because I've got a headache in my eye, like how is that normal? And write some more because I still have a chapter that's unfinished, so might just tie up a few loose ends. Drinking some cider. That's good, it doesn't really taste that good. Morning everyone, happy Friday. It's the end of the week, thank God. Today I finished at 12:15. It's a good day, it's a beautiful day. I have a pug hat on today. Says snug as a pug on the side. So wearing my NASA shirt, skirt, tights, Doc Martens, it's fine. So I'm on my way to college and then I'll just kind of montage from here on out and we'll see what we're doing later. Hey guys, and happy Saturday. It's currently 20 to 6 and I haven't vlogged hardly at all today. So, hi. I've been a bad vlogger. I literally haven't done anything today. I haven't studied like I was supposed to. I haven't written anything in NaNoWriMo today, which is a really big issue. In my study month, I haven't read. I haven't done anything that I wanted to do today because of Callum. I want to spend time with Callum. And I'm around his or he's around mine, everything just stops and I don't get anything done. So, I'm home now. I'm going to get some stuff done. I do really need to start revising for my film test I have on Thursday, so wish me luck. I have just finished writing chapter 3 of my NaNoWriMo book. It was a good one. I liked how it ended it. There are so many fireworks going off right now and I think the house over there and the house behind us are having a competition of how loud they can get their fireworks, and it literally sounds like a war zone out there. It sounds like World War III is kicking off. Every time a set goes off they all scream and then another set goes off over there and they all scream. It's like, really, just have a good time. Anyway, it's currently about 8 o'clock, it's like 7:52, I decided that's perfect to like stop writing for a little bit and prepare myself for exam. So I'm going to be writing some flashcards on cinematography for film studies, and then I'm going to revise some and then go back to writing, revise some more, go back to writing. I'm going to try and do it like that and see if that works, and if it works, then that's a really good thing. I'm going to see if that works, and if it does, it's brilliant, because then NaNoWriMo will be a breeze. If I can like revise, then write for a bit, then revise, then write for a bit. I have a feeling as well that it's going to be quite a long night, because it's almost 8 o'clock already and I still haven't revised anything for film, or made any resources at least. I'm going to go get myself some caffeine and power through the night with these fucking fireworks. Completed all of the revision cards and notes for, God, Hayley's face looks so weird. She's so shocked, like, oh, you finished cinematography? Well done you. Anyway, there are 3 piles of like revision cards, but it's not like long ones, they're quite short. It's currently 9:30 and I'm about to start revising in 20-minute slots for cinematography. Hopefully I can get this done tonight. I'm going to keep alternating between studying and writing, as I just said, but I just wanted to let you know that I completed my segment. Good morning everybody, happy Sunday and happy bonfire night. It's currently 11 o'clock and I actually woke up at 9:30, but I have literally been sat in bed watching YouTube and playing the Animal Crossing game all morning. I'm up now and I am ready to get the day started. I need to finish cinematography, as in like revising it, which won't be a problem today. And I also need to start writing revision cards for lighting. It's also bonfire night tonight and I am going out with Waverley, Tio, which is my sister, and Callum to Forest Recreation Ground. Also, I'm wearing this blanket snug thing with arms and just like a blanket. It's Wonder Woman and Callum's mum got it for me and it's just so me and I love wearing it. So I'm going to kick off today with some writing because I want to get this chapter finished, because I am a chapter behind on my NaNoWriMo now. I'm just going to keep alternating between revising and writing again like I did last night, and we'll see how it goes. Also, a big thing that happened last night was the fact that I put my NaNoWriMo book onto Goodreads. It is called The Legacy and it's a Cinderella Meets Sword in the Stone magical fantasy tale. A link to this page, Goodreads page, will be in the description box below if you want to go and mark it as to read. It is out on Christmas Eve this year, so like next month. Big things are happening, big things! I'm ready to go now. My eyeliner is done and it's been done by Waverley, so yeah. We're going to see fireworks. home now from the fireworks. They were pretty dang good. Alan brought me some donuts as well, and I brought some crisps on the way home, so it was a good time. I'm going to end the vlog here, take my makeup off and go straight to bed. So if you liked it, please give this weekly vlog a massive thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. I make videos every Monday and Wednesday on the channel. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in another weekly vlog.